Conversation. Forming simple sentences. Subject, verb, object. Situation. Emma and Jack are in the classroom, talking about their daily activities and things they like. Hi, Jack. What do you do after school?
Hi, Emma. I play football after school.
That's nice. I read books in the evening.
Oh, I like reading too. My sister reads storybooks every night.
That's great. My brother watches cartoons in the afternoon.
Oh, really? I watch cartoons too. My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
I love Tom and Jerry too. My dad buys books for me every weekend.
That's so nice. My mom cooks dinner for our family every evening.
That's wonderful. My mom makes delicious cakes.
Wow. Do you eat cake every day?
No, I don't. But we eat cake on special days.
That sounds fun. I drink milk every morning.
I drink orange juice. My dad brings fresh oranges from the market.
That's healthy. My brother eats eggs for breakfast.
My family eats rice and vegetables in the morning.
Your family is very healthy.
Thank you, Jack. Talking with you is always fun.
Yes, we learn new things every day.
Grammar focus. Forming simple sentences. Subject, verb, object. A simple sentence follows this structure. Subject, verb plus object. I play football. I equals subject, play, verb, football, object. She reads books. She, subject, reads, verb, books equals object. My mom cooks dinner. My mom equals subject, cooks, verb, dinner equals object.